Okay. Work on the business, not in the business. You could be a broker working so hard in the business. Or that client that you sold the house to, or you got a house to them, you can tell them, now that I know you and I know this, they already know you. Would you like to invest? I am a sponsor in this, and I do these investments. Of course, they already like you. Get to learn the highest level structure in real estate with the lowest risk and exposure, being co-sponsor. Learn how and why to select certain assets. Build a prior performance record, because once you come in, the fund has the prior performance under me. Receive residual income every year, that 2% on the money you raised. On the gross invoicing, you receive another 2% for 10 years. Have the opportunity to branch out on your own after a year or at any time with your clientele. Get it all turnkey with no obligation. There is no ongoing fees, there is nothing to be going on ongoing, and it doesn't end at a certain date. It's not like, oh, this is good for 1 year. Those who are in my network, I stay in touch and we keep growing.